Many nights we prayed with no proof anyone could hear. In a heart some hopeful some we barely understood. Now we are not afraid, although we know there's much to fear. We were moving mountains long before we knew we could. There can be miracles when you believe. Though hope is frail, it's hard to care. Who knows what miracle you can achieve when you believe? Somehow you will. You will when you believe. In this time of fear, when prayer so often proves in vain, hope seems like the summer bird to swiftly flow away. Yet now I'm standing here, my heart so full I can't explain, seeking faith and speaking what I never thought I'd say. Ah, ah, that can be miracle when you believe. The hope is fair, it's hard to care. Who knows what miracle you can achieve when you believe? Somehow you will. You will when you believe. Didn't know what's happened when you ask. And it's easy to give in to your fears. But when you're blinded by your pain, can't see your way to truth and rain. Small but still resilient voice, sense of whispering near. Whoa, there can be miracle when you believe. The hope is frail, it's hard to kill. Who knows what miracle you can achieve when you believe? Somehow